Good morning, all of you. We are starting a brand new week with a less number of trading days this time, which includes the expiry of February contract as well. Last week also market ended in the positive note, and it's the seventh consecutive week market closing in a positive way, and which is it happened first time in last 2 years time. So the global markets are also supporting the indices, and the US markets also closed in a positive note on the previous day. So this time what we can expect is the market is very close to that 5,700 level. So there can be some sort of profit booking, but our strategy is that we will buy on dips, because the overall market seems to be behaving like a typical bull market, because the market rallied over 18% since the beginning of this year. So this vertical movement indicates that the market is kind of bull market characteristics. So if you look at the FI figures, it cost $4 billion this time. It's almost 14,000 crores since the beginning of 2012. So just about in just about 35 trading days, the FI figure crossed $14,000 rupees on a net basis. So that indicates that the fund flow is still very strong, and it may not pause for the moment. So it can be continued in the coming months also. Overall, the trend is looking so positive, and we are bullish in a lot of shares. So, only thing is that if you get some intermediate correction, that should be used as an entry point in the market. For the day, we are recommending the KN India, which closed with a very high volume on Friday. So that momentum, we expect the momentum to be continued in today's and tomorrow's trade as well. So we can expect the share to cross 400 level. So KN India is the one we select for the day. And overall, some sort of reaction is possible today because of the Asian markets trading weak, and the market is also looking at the outcome of European Union's meet on Greece's credit crisis. So all these events will take into account, and tomorrow and day after tomorrow, markets can be volatile because of the February contract expiry of the derivative series. So overall, we'll look for some good trading opportunities this time also. Thank you and have a nice day.